Alright guys, I had to restart that other video. No, I'm sorry guys, but yeah, the only thing I did is I had this added again 200-gram cake. I have 3 of those right there. See? Could move on to slightly bigger stuff. Like not too big. I got 3 of these 100 strips class crackers by world class fireworks. I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to fix this because yeah. And then over here we got 2 M5000 firecrackers, salute crackers. These are 12 pieces in each, so I got around 24 in here. I only got 5 cakes this year, so yeah, I'm sorry. I actually have this box open. I have 5 boxes of Mighty Crackers by World Class Fireworks. Yeah, these are yeah. This one is open because I took around like 15 just to light them off for now, and then I'm probably gonna save some for the 4th, maybe. Yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna have to lift this down. I'm sorry, guys. That was my hand. I'm sorry. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm adjusting the firecrackers and stuff. So yeah. Alright, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I'm actually using my phone. Sorry. Got the punks. Just put those out of the box. So we got this class crackers of 500 roll. Yeah, it's pretty excited to like these. Yeah. The thing is, it's hard to find the fuse here because, like, yeah, it doesn't have like a label where it says fuse. So yeah, and like, I will be getting more fireworks Monday.